always keep the QR scanner plugged in for reliable scanning and to prevent losing it. To use the QR scanner, with the computer turned on, wake up the scanner by pressing the scan button once, and the light will turn blue. Keep in mind if the scanner button turns red, it's in sleep mode, but a simple tap will wake it up to function properly. Before scanning any rings, make sure Microsoft Edge is open on the computer, and tap the website URL area on the touchscreen to highlight everything. Now pick out the customer's ring of choice and press or hold the QR scanner button with it pointed at the ring's QR label until you hear the beep. Scanning the ring will take your customer to the exact ring on our builder, and they can easily take over from here and personalize the band.
Start by making sure the QR scanner is plugged into the computer's USB port to ensure a wired connection and power for reliable scanning. There's no need to use the wireless functionality with this setup. Also, when you tap to highlight the URL, every character must be highlighted so the QR scanner will load the new page correctly. Tapping once with your finger is all you need to do to highlight the entire URL. If the scanner doesn't beep at all, it's most likely a distance issue, so try scanning again much closer to the QR code and try a different angle if needed. And if the scanner beeps 3 times, that means the scan didn't work correctly. This could mean that the cord isn't plugged in or that the QR label could be in bad condition. If any of the labels need to be replaced, please reach out to customer service for any help. Our contact info is listed in the description below. Now, if the scanner continues failing, you can reset it back to default by scanning the code shown here or in the included booklet. You are using this specific barcode scanner model shown here, and please remember to follow these exact steps to make ring building simple and easy for you and your customers.